I'm so excited because I have a special gift for you this year, 2023. If you are looking to transform your marriage, make a big change, get rid of all that stress, all that pain, all that worry, all that tension in the home, you are willing to do that this year, 2023, for good, not just for a short time, but for good. I have a gift for you as long as you are willing to get rid of all that stress so that you and your spouse can become more connected, more intimate, have more friendship, more passion, work together to raise up your children. If that's what you're looking for, then I have good news for you. If this is your goal, you've made up your mind that this is what I want for 2023. I want to change my marriage. I want to see transformation. I want to learn how to act in a way that it will transform my marriage. If that's your goal, then you are in the right place today. You are in the right place today. So, what's my gift for you? It's what I call the Love Workout Boot Camp. Love Workout Boot Camp. What is it? Three people for 3 months, 30 minutes daily. All right. I'm going to choose three people and we're going to work together for 3 months and we're going to encourage every one of those three people to commit 30 minutes daily, right? 30 minutes daily. And the beautiful part of this is that you are going to choose how much you're going to invest in this monthly. Every month, the same amount for 3 months. You will choose. I will not tell you. Usually, for me to work one-on-one with people, it's in the thousands of dollars, but by gift. And that's why it's limited to only three people. I do not have enough time to give this to everyone. Maybe as we go on, we'll find a way to help more people. But for now, I want to take three people who are really motivated, committed to learning what to do to transform your marriage. If that is you, then you are going to be. I'm going to choose you, but I'm not going to just choose the first three. I'm going to choose the most qualified three people who really wanted, the person who wants it the most and who's willing to commit the time, who's not going to drop out, it's not going to stop. I'm going to check that by asking you questions, interviewing you, and then making my choice. Once I've made my choice, then I would let you know. Here's the process. First thing you're going to do, if you are interested, is indicate in the comments, type 333. Indicate in the comments, I'm interested in learning how to become stronger in my loving, how to forgive properly, how to release the stress in my life and trigger positive actions in my spouse. I want to learn that. And if that is you, type 333 in the comments. That's the first step. Once you do that, I'm going to reach out to you and you will fill out the form that I sent to you. In that form, I'm going to ask you questions that will help me to shortlist those who I'm going to pick. I'm only going to pick three. And after that, out of those three, I will shortlist a group and interview them. Not everybody who types 333 will be shortlisted. And if you're not shortlisted, you would not be interviewed. But once I shortlist you and then I interview you, from the people I interview, I will choose three. Once I've chosen those three, I will not ask you about your investment until I've chosen you. And once I've chosen you, then you will tell me how much you are willing to invest in that transformation. It will not be free. You need to make an investment, but it will be your choice of what you want to invest. Once you've made that choice, I would accept it. Once you are chosen and you tell me how much you're going to invest, I will accept what you're going to invest. But what you invest in is going to, of course, trigger you to do the right thing, and then we'll work with you. Now we'll start working on the first day of February 2023. We'll work for 3 good months, and at the end of April 2023, I'm sure you'll have a testimony. Would have prepared you for the rest of the year, giving you everything you need within those 3 months of 30 minutes every day boot camp transformation. You will be a different person, and I look forward to sharing your testimony with everybody online. All right, so that is my gift for you. I want you to take advantage of it. It will be the best thing that has happened to you in 2023. It will be the best. I know that for sure. stories of several people who have been transformed by this program, who have invested so much. You at this time have the opportunity to invest what you can afford, and of course, more importantly, you invest 30 minutes every day. So it's three people, 3 months, 30 minutes daily. What's the time investment? The 30 minutes, it doesn't, we're not going to be doing it together live. Some of it you will do on your own, but every week at the minimum, we're going to have 1 minute. You're going to have to type things and type and show that you are doing the work every single day. So take note, it's going to be a boot camp. You will do work, but you will do good work that you will be grateful for, your spouse will be grateful for, your children will be grateful for, your grandchildren will be grateful for, your church will be grateful for, the kingdom of God will be grateful for. So it's going to be the best investment of your life. You will be very grateful that God chose you and blessed you at this time. Type 333. Indicate in the comments,